Alright guys, what's up? I don't know, I have a killer headache. I've been watching the game. The Bills versus the Steelers. And no no. Ah. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna stay on and do like a little, I don't know, little trade. Nothing big, nothing fancy. I've been doing a lot of withdrawals on my account lately. For a reason I will tell you guys about. Hmm. I see the US. I see the USD is making a really big move right now. The US dollar is making a really big move right now. Guys, I gotta say something. I know sometimes trading is hard, and even for me, like it is hard sometimes. But you gotta remember why you're doing it. If your why is not strong enough, you're gonna quit. You feel me? If your why is not strong enough, you're gonna quit. Um. No, with that being said, let's see if we can get this money. Switch my stuff to 5 minutes. Now, the first thing I do whenever I start trading, I always pull up my currency strength meter. I check Forex Factory. If there any news. Alright, we had no major news today. And I can just exit that and close that browser, because when I close the browser, I get to see the strike prices here. I keep watching it here. You know? Close any extra windows that I don't need. As you can see, USD is falling off right now for some reason. I don't know. But let's see what's paying out. We got AUD, USD. That was a big drip. Alright, so it has rooms to go further. Let's see. I'll wait for a pullback before I enter. Next thing. Why does my head feel like that, yo? Oh my word, I'm having a headache, bro. Alright, so USD shift. Let's pull that up, see what we're looking for. We see USD shift making a strong move. Let's see what's happening. USD shift. I'm gonna give it a few more candles. I'm trying to catch the reversal, but this is so tricky. Let's give it a few more candles, see what AUD USD is doing. $344, we're at $353, $354. I caught it a little late. And that's AUD USD. Now let's wait for the pullback. I could have entered earlier, but I want to wait for the pullback. I'll enter 350. $350, something like that. If it gives me 350, I'll enter at 350. No, it's gone. This was a massive sell-off, though. You gotta admit that. It's a massive, massive sell-off from nowhere. It's at 355. And I don't even think it's going up. I think it's going down. I think this was just a pullback. I really think it's going down. I think the sell-off is not. It's going to go all the way down to the 100s. I think it's going down. I don't think it's going up. Well, let's see what's happening. You don't want to go against this strong ass trend, trust me. Just to catch where, you gotta look at a few candles to see where you can get your reversals from. The reversal's 340. What are you doing? Totally, you don't want to go against this trend, my brother. You don't want to go against this trend. It's not even finished yet. See? This trend is not even finished yet. Let's see what it's gonna do. I entered a 340, but I think it's going down. I think it has rooms to go. Like, I think it's gonna go down there. Well, let's see. 3 minute. See, and I almost took that buy, but I was like, you know what? Probably the trend was taking a break, and then there's gonna be a continuation. That's what I was thinking. That's what I said to myself. Like, probably there's gonna be a break. 336. That reversal is coming, but when it's coming, that's the issue. You know, that reversal is gonna come, but when? They try to play me. Don't come with me out now. Got a tank. What did I tell you, my brother? I told you this trend it's not playing around. This trend is not playing around. This ain't what, look at that. And I think it's going all the way down to the 100s. This is a massive, massive sell-off. From out of nowhere. The markets be like that sometimes. Just a little more. I think I got like 30 seconds left. Ooh, hold it, hold it, hold it. Candle's coming to a close, so it might get a little spiky. Bam, and we out of there. Alright, guys. That's it for today. We caught the trend. We were looking for reversals, but then we quickly analyzed the market, the mood of the market, and realized that this was a massive sell-off. And in order to know the mood of the market, when you see these strong trends going on, I was like, it's looking for support, but I'm like, it ain't ready to find support yet, because I looked at the 4 hour and I realized the next support, look, it ain't got nowhere to go but down here. It's looking for this line. This is what it's looking for. Then it will bounce. And I was like, it's looking for that line. So why? Look, there's nothing there. Look, no form of area to say, hey, it's gonna bounce off. It's coming all the way down here, all the way down here to the 100s, definitely. So that's why I was just relaxing, and I'd be like, yep, that's what it's about to do. So we could have taken, look, see what I'm telling you guys? So now it's in the 200s. So that's what I was saying to you guys, that you need to pay attention, because I was thinking, yo, it's going to do a reverse just because the stochastic is all the way down here on the 15 and on the 5 minutes. But I was like, it has no reason. This is an area for a massive sell-off. It has no reason to stop and turn back. If you check the 4 hour, and this is why you got to do top-down analysis. I don't do it all the times when I'm on here, but it's very, very important to do it. You got to look for areas. You got to of where the market is going to go to, because look here. It broke this area of support right here. It broke through. And look, this candle is running to this line. This is a long space to go down to. It's in the 100 area. Now, if you go to the 15 minute, you can see that's a very, very massive gap. You're not even seeing the line. You see? So it's going to run all the way, come down here, and then it'll probably reverse and retest this line. But it ain't stopping for now. And that's what I've been telling you guys. So you got to understand the mood of the market. You can't just hop in and be like, oh, it's going to reverse right here. You got to see the support and resistance zones. You got to see the different areas that the market has touched before you hop in and be like, oh, I'm going to take a trade. It looks like it's going to turn back because the stochastic says this and the RSI says this and the Bollinger Band say this. Remember, indicators are lagging. The indicators don't give you the present data. They give you the data of the past 5 candles, 3 candles, or whatever candles. That's what they do. That's why I don't do indicator tradings. I use them as tools to assist me. But in terms of my brain power or the indicators, I'm choosing my brain power all the time. All the time over the indicators. You gotta have the knowledge. You gotta do the research. You gotta spend time on the charts. Because the indicator, look, let me tell you something about indicators. This is a Bollinger Band. By right, the Bollinger Band works like this. Once the candles hit the Bollinger Band, it turns back. Look how many candles has hit this outer band and it hasn't turned back all this time. You see what I'm talking about? The rules of the stochastics and the RSI. Once it's below this line right here, oh, it's immediately it's gonna turn back sometime. It's gonna turn back. Once it crosses, we can look for buys. Once it crosses up here, we can look for sells. No, it's 1, 2, 3 candles and it still hasn't turned back. It still hasn't given you the direction to go up. So you gotta use your brain power to take these trades, bro. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching my session. Really appreciate it. I'm ending the session short today because my head is really hurting me. We caught one trade today, one sell, and it was for $250. We made $440 profit. We had this trade yesterday on a Sunday. I don't know why I was trading on a Sunday, but look at this. I was testing a new strategy with these $1 trades, and then look at this trade. I was rolling and rolling, missed, hit, and I was just all over the place. Miss, hit. I was just testing out a strategy, and I'm like, my strategy is working. I don't need to change. Let's add my trade back. So, you feel me? I don't need to change my strategy. It's already working. So that's gonna be it for me, guys. I'm done for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.